Have you always wanted to learn Photoshop, but you just don't know where to start? Well, then our complete Adobe Photoshop CC Masterclass course from beginner to intermediate is for you. Hi, my name is Joe Paris, and I'm the best-selling online instructor with more than 750,000 unique students from all around the world. Together with my co-instructor, Jack Cole, he is going to teach you from scratch how to use all of the essentials in Photoshop CC. This course is perfect for beginners. You don't need any prior experience using Photoshop, photography, or design. In our course, we use real-world, project-based examples and even give you the resources to follow along with us. Everything is included in the course. We also have focused on teaching you the essentials of Photoshop, so you aren't wasting your time learning things that aren't practical. Here are all the benefits and all the things that you're going to learn by enrolling in our course today. In our first mini project, you will change a computer screen and recolor clothing in just a few steps. We're also going to teach you how to design your own social media banners, how to create thumbnails, lower thirds, and even design your own promotional graphic. We even teach you how to use adjustment layers to customize your image. And as a bonus, we're going to teach you how to use multiple images within Photoshop. You're going to learn all of this and so much more by enrolling in our course today. Now, we always want you, our student, to feel comfortable before making a purchase. That's why we've uploaded multiple free preview videos for you to view anytime. We also offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to risk, but everything to gain by enrolling in our course. It's time to take action. This offer won't last forever. Go ahead, click that Buy Now button, and we will see you on the inside. Thanks again for enrolling.